Okay, basically, to do this trick, all you have to do is, well, if you're a beginner, the easiest way to do this is to set it on something flat like this, and you gotta run your hand over it, don't be scared, and after you, whenever you do that, it should ease up in the corner like that. Well, it's not anymore, but it just did earlier when I actually did the trick. Well, I guess I can't get it. What the heck? Like that, and that's all you're doing. It's pretty simple. And other people that do just make it look really hard. So that's it. It's pretty easy once you